this project, we're going to be using 3.5mm hook and our selected yarn. So round 1, make a 6 single crochet, make a slip knot first, chain 2, and in the second chain from the hook, make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 single crochet in total, and make a slip stitch in the first single crochet we have made. Round 2, chain 1, make 2 single crochet in every stitch. 1 and 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. 2. Let's repeat that one more time. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and another single crochet in the same stitch. So 2 single crochet per stitches all the way around, total of 12 single crochet. For round 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in total for round 2. Round 3, we're going to chain 1, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find, just here, and make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. 2. So we're going to repeat that pattern all the way around. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. 1, 2. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and we're going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet we have made. That's for our round 3. Round 4, chain 1, make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1, and in the next stitch another 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch make 2 single crochet, 1, and then make another 1 single crochet in the same stitch. 2. Let's repeat that. 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. And that's our pattern for round 4. 1, 2, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Round 5, chain 1, and make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and make a slip stitch to end round 5. Slip stitch in the first single crochet we made. That's for our round 5. In round 6, 7, 8, and 9, repeat round 5. And I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. And I am done repeating round 5. So round 10, we're going to start decreasing. Chain 1, make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. And for decreasing, we're going to make 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And that is our way of decreasing. Let's repeat that. 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and a decrease. 1 and 2. And that's our pattern for this round. 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and a decrease. 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and a decrease. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around. And slip stitch to close round 10. And in this moment, we can now start putting stuff inside. So round 11, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find, and a decrease. 2 stitches into 1 stitch. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and a decrease. 2 stitches into 1 stitch. And I'm going to repeat that until the end of round 11. Slip stitch to end round 11. Slip stitch in the first single crochet we made. Round 12, chain 1, and make 2 single crochet and make 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Just keep decreasing this time. No more single crochet. We're going to keep decreasing 2 stitches into 1 stitch all the way around. And make a slip stitch in the first decrease we made. Chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. Now what we're going to do is insert your hook just maybe in front of this stitch here, yarn over, pull, pull, okay, just to close the circle, and make this one into half. This makes me feel secure to pull this one, pull the half of this yarn, and make us knot 3 times. And simply just insert your hook here somewhere and pull this existing yarn here. Pull it inside.